Hello everybody, it's Brent Simmons with Restoration Roofing, back with another video. This is in my series of videos to try to educate you all really on what you're going to see on the quote I might have given you, and just different things that you need to know if you're in the process of getting a new roof. So right now I just want to talk about some shingles. These are the shingles that I sell the most. To jump right in, the first one is the Certainteed Landmark shingle. This shingle is what we use with our 4-star warranty. This is a wonderful shingle. You can see a couple differences really. It has a clearly defined nailing strip. One of the key differences is the tar strip is on the bottom of the shingle. What's kind of unique about Certainteed is the way that they drop their granules. It's completely different from the rest of the manufacturers. There's kind of a saying that if you were to have a bunch of different roofs, with one being Certainteed and the rest being other manufacturers, everybody just based on color and just the way they look would pick Certainteed. And that's why we sell a lot of these. They just look really good, and you can tell that they've tried really hard to make them stand out. Also, these are heavier. It's not, a lot of people think they're heavier because the shingle's thicker. It's not really thicker, they just drop more granules on there. So the weight comes from the granules, which is actually a good thing. The granules are the sacrificial layer of your roof. That's what wears off. If you look at an old roof, you'll notice you can see fiberglass and the matting underneath because the granules have fallen off. So these have more. Now let me jump into the Atlas Pinnacle Pristine Shingle. You'll notice one thing that's cool about Atlas is they use double tar strips and they're on the top as opposed to the bottom. Another difference is the actual teeth. These are called teeth. The teeth are bigger. You'll notice that if I put this right here, you can see that there's a difference in the size. A lot of people like that. It's just another thing that Atlas did to try to be different from the rest. What really makes this shingle stand out is the Scotch Guard by 3M that's built into it. So you get the really good algae warranty, which is a big deal in this area. Also, this is the shingle that we install when we do the Signature Select system. So when I go to the third shingle, you'll probably think it's exactly the same as this, but it's not. It looks identical. But this is the Atlas Prolam shingle. This is a really good budget-friendly shingle. If you want the look of an architectural roof, but you don't want to spend all the money to get the system and everything, this is a great shingle. I install a lot of them. It's actually very close to the same price as the 3-tab shingles right now. And one of the promotions I run from time to time, I'll have a month where I'll tell people I will not install a 3-tab roof. And they kind of laugh and say, what are you talking about? Well, it's because I'm going to give you Prolam. So you will get that free upgrade when I run those promotions. Still a great shingle. We've never had any problems with them. They all install the same way. Just good workmanship. That's really what's going to make your roof last. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about these shingles, I'd love to talk to you about them. My number is 901-854-3402. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be updating this on a regular basis. Thank you.